Hazrat Bara bin Azib radiyallahu anhu said, when Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam would go to his bedding, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would sleep on his right side, saying, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I have surrendered my soul to you, turned my face towards you, entrusted my affairs to you, made you my supporter out of hope and fear of you. There is no refuge and heaven except with you. I have believed in this book of yours which you have revealed and in your Prophet whom you have sent. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, if he who utters these sentences dies on that very night, he will die on nature Islam. Astarhabuhum has been derived from the word ar-rahba, and malakut is like mulkun, rahabutun. Fear is better than rahamutin, mercy, and it is also said tarhabu, to fear, is better than tarhama, showing mercy. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 6315.